In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix font in Outlook email. First, let's get started by opening Outlook. You can find the Outlook icon on your desktop or in your Applications folder. Once you click to open it, the main interface will appear. This is where you manage your emails, calendar, and contacts. It is important to ensure that you have the correct version of Outlook open, whether it's the new Outlook or the classic version. This step is crucial because if you don't open the right version, the settings you change may not apply correctly. Next, locate the settings icon, which looks like a gear. You will find it usually in the upper right corner of your Outlook window. Click on this icon to access various settings for your email. The settings menu allows you to customize your experience and make adjustments to how you compose and receive emails. This is the gateway to making sure your font settings are just right. Now from the Settings menu, select Mail, and then choose Compose and Reply. This section is where you can adjust the default settings for your email composition. Under Message Format, you will see several options for customizing your font. Here you can choose your preferred font type, size, color, and style. Selecting the right font is important for maintaining your professional image and ensuring your emails are easy to read. Once you have made your selections, be sure to click the Save button. This action confirms that your font preferences are recorded. After saving, changes will be applied to your outgoing emails. You should feel confident knowing that these adjustments will enhance your email communication. Next up, it's time to compose a new email to verify that the changes you made are reflected correctly. Click on the New Email button to open a new message window. Here you can check if the font, size, and color appear as you intended. This step is essential to ensure that your settings are properly applied. If everything looks good, you can proceed with your email. Now, let's move on to the classic Outlook version. First, open Outlook if you haven't done so already. Once the application is open, click on File, then select Options. This will open a new window with various settings. This area is where you can customize many aspects of Outlook, making it a vital step for fixing font issues. From the Options menu, select Mail. Here you will find settings related to how you compose your messages. Under the Compose Messages section, look for the Stationery and Fonts option. Clicking this will take you to a new window where you can manage your font settings. Under the New Mail Messages section, click on Font. This is where you can choose your preferred font style, size, and color again. This customization ensures your messages look consistent and professional. Remember, what you select here will be your default settings for new emails. Optionally, you can repeat the same process for replying or forwarding messages if you want to maintain the same style throughout all types of communication. Consistency in font settings across your replies and forwards can enhance your overall email presentation. After you have made your adjustments, click OK, and then click OK again to save your changes. This step is crucial because it finalizes your selections and ensures they are applied correctly. You will see a confirmation that your settings have been saved. Note that if the font only appears incorrect in emails you receive, the sender may have used a custom font or formatting. If the issue occurs only in the reading pane, you can adjust the zoom level from the View tab or use the zoom slider at the bottom of the Outlook window. This is a helpful tip for ensuring you see the emails as they were intended to be viewed. By following these steps, you can effectively fix font issues in your Outlook emails. Thank you for watching and happy emailing!